Now we're talking. Right, now we're talking indeed. Welcome to the Chatterware tutorial for Now We're Talking. This is a quick start guide to help you get used to using the prefab, and let's get started. This is the wonderful Cinti Studios Pirates Pack, and we've got the captain here on the beach. We're going to just have a quick look at his hierarchy. In it you'll find the root. This is the armature, the skeleton that drives animation. We're going to look at that. First of all, we'll just have a look at the scale. This is unusual. Normally this is set to 111. It's set to 0.01. That means we will have to make a small adjustment on the Now We're Talking pivot, but we'll have a look at that in a minute. So let's figure out where we're going to put the mouth. The mouth is going to go somewhere in this area here near the beard. Yeah, there he is. So we're going to look for the head because it's going to be on the front of the head. So let's look through the root. We go to the spine, spine 2, spine 3, neck, head. There we go. And that is where we're going to pop the Now We're Talking prefab. We just drop it onto the head bone like that and it will appear. It should be zeroed out, 000, 000,111. And if you open it up and have a little look at the hierarchy of that, you'll see we've got a couple of things. We've got NWT Play Audio, LipsPivot, LipSphere, Capsule and Cube. We're going to look at those in detail in a moment. First thing we need to do is make a slight adjustment for this LipsPivot. Because the root was so small, we're going to have to just grow this a bit, so it's actually quite small, and I found that 150 is more or less what we need to bring it forward. So let's just have a quick look and see if we can find it. Where are we? There it is. It's just inside the head there. So what we're going to have to do is it's just on the edge there, so it's on the wrong side as well. So let's put in -90 on the rotation on the Y axis, and that's on the LipsPivot pivot. So not on the Now We're Talking, that stays at zeros. On the LipsPivot, just rotate it around -90 if it's not facing the right direction. It depends on a number of factors really, but that's where we are. So we can have a look at that and see if that's actually going to work now. So we'll just run it and see what so it's a little bit, yes. Let's just undo that a second. Let's just grab the scene. What we'll do is we'll just push the LipsPivot out a bit so that it's just on the face where we think it should be. We can move it up and down, we can rotate it slightly, as long as we get it more or less in place. Might just do a little rotation as well, and that's going to vary between models depending on exactly where you want it and where it is. Now if I stop this, I'm going to lose these settings, so we're going to grab these by copying the component. So click here, copy component, we'll stop it, and then we will pop that back in. We will paste the component values back in, and that will position us where we want it to be. Let's just put let's just get a camera moved to where we want a camera to be. Let's pop it there. Hold on a second. Use Shift Control F, and you see down here the camera moved to the position that the scene camera's in. Let's run that and see what he looks like. So there he is. He's got a fairly wide mouth, but we can adjust that, so that's not a problem. Let's see how we make him talk. Now go to the Now We're Talking prefab, and you'll see the Now We're Talking script, and there's quite a lot of detailed stuff here. We don't need to go into any of that really at this point. Let's just lock the padlock, and we're going to grab a pirate or two voice clips. These are just small clips, and we're going to pop them into the Now We're Talking clips here. And what's going to happen when we instigate this to talk he's going to say the first element, then the second, then the third, then the fourth, so in order. You can randomize that, but we're just going to do it in order for now. So let's have a little see. We're going to fire him up, and to get him to talk, to use these phrases in order, all we do is we enable the Now We're Talking play audio. So we'll do that. Here we go.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, there he is. So his voice is there.
Yahoo!
Right, let's just have a look at that mouth. Over here we are using data presets. If you look here, it says allow mouth data presets, number 1 there. This is mouth number 1. What we're going to do is go to mouth number 3, and you'll see that as I move this mouth data presets slider, whichever mouth we go to changes the data. So we're going to be happy with this one, I think. Let's have a little look. So we'll go to Now We're Talking play audio, turn it off and turn it back on.
Yeah! Yeah! Where's the rum?
Excellent.
Yeah! Where's the rum?
And that's it. It's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let's just give him one more saying. Come on.
Yeah!
Bit more. And of course you can adjust all the settings here. We'll do that in another video. This video was literally just to get you started. So hope you enjoyed that. That's a quick look at how to get Now We're Talking. See you next time. Bye for now.